In the vibrant heart of Jamaica, where the sun painted vibrant colors across the sky and the sweet melodies of reggae danced through the air, lived two adventurous cousins, Melvin and Sophia. Melvin, with his exuberant afro curls that bounced with every step he took, was a bundle of energy. On the other hand, Sophia, with her wild curly locks framing her face, shared his zest for life. The two were inseparable, their laughter echoing through the lush green hills of their hometown. Every afternoon, when the sun began to dip toward the horizon, casting a golden glow on their surroundings, Melvin and Sophia would venture to a little spot by the riverbank. This was their sanctuary, a place where they could let their imaginations run wild. One day, they discovered an old, dusty guitar that had been left behind by a traveling musician. With a twinkle in her eye, Sophia suggested they learn to play it together. They started clumsily, fingers fumbling over the strings, but as each day passed, they grew more determined and fluent in the language of music. The gentle strumming revealed their hidden talents, with Melvin's rhythm complementing Sophia's melodious voice. They transformed their practice sessions into spontaneous concerts, drawing the attention of their neighbors and even their curious animals. Their biggest fan was their aunt, Hire, a woman with a heart as grand as the Jamaican landscape. Often, she would stroll down to the riverbank, a warm smile painting her face as she listened. Hire had a special talent for storytelling, often weaving tales of resilience and dreams, which inspired Melvin and Sophia to write their own songs. One summer evening, as hues of orange and pink cascaded across the sky, Melvin and Sophia decided it was time to share their music. They planned a small gathering for family and friends. The cousins spent the entire day preparing, crafting songs that captured their experiences growing up together, songs about their adventures, the beauty of Jamaica, and the laughter that echoed in their childhood. When the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the gathering, Melvin and Sophia took the makeshift stage with their guitar in hand. Nervously glancing at each other, they shared a reassuring smile. The moment they strummed the first chord, the crowd silenced, captivated by the magic that flowed from the strings. Melvin's voice blended effortlessly with Sophia's, filling the air with soulful melodies that spoke of love, hope, and the unbreakable bond of family. Hire watched with immense pride, her heart content at the sight of her talented cousins. She knew the struggles and joys they faced growing up, and now, witnessing their passion turn into art, she felt a deep sense of fulfillment. The crowd erupted in applause, their cheers mingling with the soothing sounds of nature, creating a symphony of unity and celebration. That night, beneath the starlit sky, Melvin and Sophia became not just musicians, but storytellers, weaving their experiences into unforgettable melodies. They realized that their music had the power to connect not only themselves, but also everyone around them. Their journey together had just begun, and with the echoes of their songs still lingering in the warm night air, they knew they would continue to amaze each other and the world with their talents. As the years passed, Melvin and Sophia held on to that night and the moments that led up to it. They discovered that their music was a reflection of who they were, a beautiful tapestry of culture, life, and the deep-rooted love that bound them together as cousins. And through the magic of their guitar, they would forever carry the spirit of Jamaica with them, no matter where their journey took them.